Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got a mean-looking 2025 911 GT3 RS in black. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here she is, 2025 911 GT3 RS in black with black interior and lots of yellow accents. This is such a cool car. It's one of two GT3 RSs we have here currently. We've actually transacted on two others recently, so we did have four, but now we're down to just the two. Anyhow, let's talk about this one specifically. We sold this car new here in 2025 to a very good client. They put about 2,600 miles on it, so I think the odometer right now is just a hair over 2,600 miles. And we are now offering it for sale again, this time as a Porsche approved certified pre-owned vehicle. So that means it's going to have the remaining factory 4-year, 50,000 mile warranty, plus an additional 2 years unlimited mileage. So that's going to go through August of 2031. August of 2031. You've got manufacturer CPO warranty. The car is also fully up to date on maintenance, with a minimum standard of not requiring service for 6 months, but it should be closer to 12 months. We did just get the car serviced not too long ago, so that's really awesome. A lot of these cars on the market right now are not being sold at Porsche dealers, and a lot of them, you know, particularly if they're a 2024 or a 2023, they could be due for some spendy service, and a lot of those dealers aren't doing it. So they just wash the car, maybe change the oil, put it up for sale. And so you'll notice there's definitely a price discrepancy between the cars that are not sold as certified and the ones that are. So anyway, without further ado, let's talk about some of the options. So this one has the forged lightweight aluminum wheels. I'm going to say this is some sort of gold or bronze or neodyme. I don't know the name of it here specifically, but it does have the ceramic composite brakes behind it with the yellow calipers. Love all the aero on the GT3 RS. It is just so cool. Previous owner did smoke the front amber side markers, which I think is a great idea. Just kind of hides them. Doesn't make them go away completely, but obfuscates them a little bit so they kind of blend in with the bumper a little bit better. It does have paint protection film on the frontal zone of the car, so the fenders, the hood, and the front bumper cover have been protected. Love the painted, or it's not painted, excuse me, but the Porsche crest decal as opposed to the emblem. Got some amazing aero here in the hood. You can see some of the cooling system components going right through those hood vents. Porsche obviously spent a ton of time in the wind tunnel on this car. This has got LED headlights in black with PDLS, Porsche Dynamic Lighting System. It does have factory deletion of the side decals. So normally the cars would have GT3 RS on the doors. The car was spec'd out without them. It was also spec'd out without the GT3 RS decal on the rear of the car. It's got this awesome DRS rear wing swan neck design. This is something that's come out in motorsports more recently in the last several years. They determined that if you mount the wing from the top as opposed to the bottom, it's actually better for aerodynamics. So that is really neat, and it has the DRS system. You notice those little pistons that can move that flap up and down, and you can actually control that from inside the cabin of the car. How cool. This car, if you're not familiar, is making, I believe it's 514 horsepower. I hope I didn't get that wrong. I'm going from memory here out of that 4-liter flat six. Just incredible engine. It's not the most powerful. I know these cars often get compared to like Corvette ZR1, and those cars are just horsepower monsters. This car is much more about the aero package, the weight balance, the braking, all of those things combined to make it an incredible performer. Not so much in a straight line. I mean, it is fast in a straight line, of course, but just an absolute track weapon. So anyhow, continuing on, we've got leather and Racetex trimmed interior. So leather on the upper door panels here with that contrast racing yellow stitching. It's got this really cool pattern here on the door panel insert. Stereo from Bose. This has the carbon fiber bucket seats. These are mostly fixed. You can move them forward and back manually, and there is a power adjustment for height, but that's about all you get on these. They are fairly minimalist in that regard, but they are quite comfortable, actually, for what they are. A lot of racing seats are not, and we've got these awesome racing yellow seat belts. Contrast stitching again on the seat with that more of that cool fabric pattern, or fabric and Racetex, excuse me. Racetex synthetic suede on the headliner. Racetex on the steering wheel. Let me hop in here quickly. They even did some of these side panels here. This is an option with more of that yellow stitching. Racetex lower dash. Got leather and that contrast stitch on the sides of the dash. On the upper dash, here where the chrono clock is, that's also yellow to match, along with the tachometer and the steering wheel. Just all really, really well spec'd out, super cohesive. There's our little yellow GT3 RS emblem, and then the center console lid has the Porsche crest emblazoned on it with more of that yellow stitch. Just super, super nice. 2,647 miles on the odometer. It is outfitted with the front axle lift. That's kind of a requisite on these cars. They are awfully low, and there is an awful lot of front aero that you don't want to damage going over a a parking dip or something like that. And then you can see here on the steering wheel, we've got all our controls for the active suspension management, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, stability and traction control, and then your drive mode selector. Then you've got your paddles here and your controls for your DRS or drag reduction system. Man, it just feels like a very well-appointed race car in here. Super awesome. Okay, once more, that is just a quick high-level overview of our certified pre-owned 2025 911 GT3 RS in black. If you're interested in learning more about this incredible machine, please give me a call. My direct line is area code 719-219-5015. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing for more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.